Hello friends, welcome to the Zen channel. So friends, today I will talk about EK Fluidworks portfolio. So friend, EK has expanded the hardware support in its EK Fluidworks system with the latest Nvidia RTX 6000 Ada professional GPU, and Nvidia's latest offering is loaded as the ultimate workstation graphics card supporting over 18,000 quad cores and 48 GB of GDDR6 ECC RAM. It will feel right at home in EK's workstation and server accelerating the next generation CAD, real-time rendering, HPC and AI workloads, and this water block shrinks the dual slot GPU to just a single slot, enabling high density applications on standard EATX and SSI EEB motherboards, and this along with the low hydraulic flow resistance. This allow EK to push the number of RTX 6000 Ada GPUs up to 7 in their high compute density rack mount servers and high performance workstation and the workflows. And the water block's excellent thermal performance places the GPU core and VRAM operating temperature under an extended high-density load, and the lab has observed a 25-degree drop in component temperature compared to air cooling at 25-degree ambient temperature, and these, along with the durable construction and leak-free guarantee, translate into a long service life with 24/7 maximum output of the GPU. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.